Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a top-down analysis on Ethereum. So what I've seen on Ethereum, you can see that we're being currently on a downtrend on Ethereum. So we can see right at this level here, I'm going to put a line right here just to see what we are looking at as of the moment. So we can see there is an imbalance here that still needs to be fulfilled. So that's a place for us to like figure out and see. And if you look to the upper side as well, there's also an imbalance that needs to be filled around that level as well. So let's go to the smaller time frame for us to see more of a picture. So as you can see, we can look at it and say currently Ethereum is on an upward trend. We can see there is an impulse, a correction, and a continuation of this nature. So that is what we are seeing right here. So let me use my trend line to also look at this as well. You can see there's like a break of structure around this level, right? So I'm seeing more of like a short buy as of right now. So what am I expecting? I'm going to use my fib right now from here to here just to see around here. Let's just use my fib right here, and you can see even the correction also reject of my fib level, rejected of 78.6% fib level before we start pushing to the upside. So as of right now, what am I now seeing right now? Like I said, I'm seeing more of like a buy move on Ethereum, and we can see there's a lot of imbalances. There's a lot of imbalances that needs to be filled. Imbalances that needs to be filled. We can see imbalances here, and that really aligns well with my Fibonacci level. You can see my 61 here perfectly well with my fib level. You can see right here my negative 61.8 fib level align perfectly well with the imbalance that we have around the structure right here. We can see there is an imbalance right at this level. There's an imbalance to this level, and that aligns perfectly well with my fib levels. So that is why I like Fibonacci levels. It aligns perfectly well with normal price. Yeah, so that is what we'll be looking at as of right now, and that is what I'm looking at. So I can also use a trend line right here just to indicate that we are currently on an uptrend, and like you see, using this trend line has made me see another scenario of what might happen. We can see right at this level right here, using this trend line, I see a possibility that we might still drop somewhat, maybe around this imbalance right here. We might go up to this imbalance to fill this imbalance right here. We might still drop some more to this level right here, and that level we can see first touch, second touch, and a possible third touch around that level. And also there's also an additional confluence around that level, which means there is an imbalance right here. There's a break of structure. If you see, let me zoom in a little bit. There's a break of structure around this area right here that needs to be filled. Yes, I know there's a weak rejection around this area that has filled it already, but there's still a possibility that we might push up a little bit. We might still push down after this, filling this imbalance, push down to this level right here, which is like a third touch of a trend line. And also that aligns well with my 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is the golden zone. Level, around that level as well. So that's a possibility that might happen. So if we go to the daily time frame, it's expand a little bit more, and I can also still draw my trend line right at this level right here. So that simplifies it a little bit more. We can see if we come to at least break this level, even if it comes to this imbalance, pushes down at that level right here, breaks this level right here, retest this level, there's a possibility that we might push down, like I said, then we can continue to go up. So that's a possibility. So using this minor trend line right at this level right here shows, it can indicate to me that we're still going to push downwards or more, depending on how it reacts whenever it comes down to the trend line. So if it comes down to the trend line and if it retests the trend line, so there's a higher chance we might get to the next trend line right here. So that's the part of the benefit of using trend line. Nothing works 100%, so you just have to know your strategy and work along with that. Let's go back to the weekly time frame, which is more clearer. So that's just my overall thought on it. So let me just picture the scenario. I still see a possible to this right here. There's possibility at that level, then to maybe this level right here, then probably continue to fill the imbalance at this level right here. That's one scenario. Another scenario is we may still push up to this level, come down to around this level, then pushes up to that level to fill the imbalances. So as of right now, this is just my scenario, but like I used to say, no one's analysis is perfect. This is what I'm seeing as of the moment, and we just have to react based on the current price action. You can have a fixed mind because the market doesn't owe you anything and the market doesn't have to go your direction, but you just have to prepare for different scenarios in case you want to take the trade and you won't be stuck because you have different scenarios and you're open-minded to the market. So that's all that matters. So as of currently, this is what I'm looking at. So, and in case if it does what the market does, whatever it does, if it breaks out of this line, retest this trend line, then you can start pushing down. But as of right now, I'm seeing more of an upper move, and this is part of my target as of right now. So I'm just gonna leave it right there to see the squally and put it here to. So that's what this is just my viral picture of Ethereum. So if you like this analysis, please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.